everyone, Chris here from Midwest Coaster Fans. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button for future videos that'll drop down from Midwest Coaster Fans. This is an overview of where the construction site's at, all the dirt that you can see. If you take Universal Boulevard just straight south of the Universal Studios Resort in Orlando, you'll run right into the construction walls that'll be on your left-hand side. For those of you that forgot what Epic Universe is going to look like, if you look at the top left, you will see the Classic Monsters area. Bottom left, you will see Super Nintendo World. And then bottom right, you'll see How to Train Your Dragon. Those are the only three that have been confirmed so far. But that is what the overview is going to look like of Epic Universe. This is the most recent overshot taken by BioReconstruct from the air. So that gives you an overview of the whole construction site of what it looks like. Let's go ahead and go into my footage from Tuesday, March 24th, as I went over to the construction site to give you a live update. And enjoy the live update. And please be sure, like I said, to hit that subscribe button for future videos from Midwest Coaster Fans. Have a good one. If you guys look over here, you will see that Epic Universe is still well under construction, and as I'm filming this pandemic's going on, but I saw a bunch of trucks moving in the area, and I'm going to see if I could get to the other side and try to give you guys a better vantage point. But this is the area where the construction is taking place right now, and as you can see, the green walls are up, so you can't really peek into there. But let's go ahead and see if we can maybe make a left turn over here and get a better view of this. If not, I'm going to turn around and try to park my car for a second so you guys can get a better shot of the construction area. And yes, the whole time I will remain on the sidewalk.